Happy Father's Day, John. Your first Father's Day.
Thank you. See, she kept that part intact.
What does it say? Lily, love Lily.
Thank you. And this part here has actual Lily hand drawn. We're preserving the moment. I think this is probably the most Lily part, the W that she wrote.
W for wood.
Lily Wood. You left your mark. And this is the reason I'm a father on Father's Day, right here.
Yay! Make a card and tear it up.
That's it.
That's your card, Lily. You made that for your daddy.
And every year, I'll tear another Father's Day card up.
Bless you. Woo!
Sneezers. Love you. You get to see enough in the morning. Top of the morning.
I love you, John. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. Very happy.